Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. This time Axis Bank is hiring for the role of Deputy Manager and it's a priority banking program and the salary is 5 LPA. So guys, they're going to pay a very huge amount of salary for this role. So they have certain criteria for this role. So please watch this video till the end to know more about their criteria or the selection process. So here you can check it's collaborating with NIT University Rajasthan for the selection process or for the training process. So guys, freshers are also eligible for this role, so don't worry about your experience. So mode of delivery, that means mode of training, it's an online training or the offline. So if you want to go through the online training process, then it's no problem, you can attend from your home and as well as the classroom training learning in NIT University. So guys, let's discuss the details. It's a assured job with Axis Bank plan. So your starting package will be 5 LPA and it will you'll be getting the stipend during your training period, and after that you'll be getting salary of 5 LPA. So guys, here you can check the details. So what you will earn. So during the training process you will be getting 12,000 per month for 3 months of intensive. That means you will be undergoing NIT University a training of 3,000 3 months. So after that you'll be getting a salary of 5 LPA during 2.5 months of training in Axis Bank. So they will be providing you a training of 2.5 months. So your starting package will be 5 LPA. So let's discuss the program fee. That means it's not a free process or free training process or the intensive process. You have to pay for this, and you have to pay 2,25,000 for this role, for this training, because you are undergoing NIT University for this training or for this intensive. It's a kind of, you can say, business training process like MBA or the BBA. So here you can check the payment plans. So here you can see the admission fees is 10,000 plus GST. Apart from 10,000 you have to pay 2,15,000 for the course fee of 3 months and plus 13% rate of interest, and you can pay after you got shortlisted for this role. After 6 months of your job you will be get your salary will be deducted for this, for the installment. You can pay the installment as well. Otherwise full payment, full time one time payment is also there, or the installment plan is also there. So guys, here you have to click on the apply now option. After clicking on apply now, you have to provide your all the details, educational personal details. Then you'll be going through a screening test first. So it will be basically a technical round, that means technical MCQs, aptitude, reasoning, English. Normal questions will be there, normal exam is there. So once you got shortlisted or you qualify the first screening exam, then you have to go through the 3 months training process under NIT University. So if you are compatible for this training process, if you can pay for this role of 2,25,000, then only you go through the training process. Otherwise I'll recommend you not to go through this, because irrespective of your selection, that means if you are not getting shortlisted, then also you have to pay 2,25,000 after going the training of 3 months. So if you got shortlisted for this role, you'll be getting 5 lakh for this role per month. Your salary will be deducted. After 6 months of your job, your salary will be getting deducted for this payment. 10,000 you can pay, no problem. After getting shortlisted, after starting the job in Axis Bank, your salary will be getting deducted for this towards this loan, 2,15,000. So if you are comfortable, then you apply for this role. Otherwise please don't apply for this role. So yeah, it's a assured job plan. If you are getting shortlisted for this role, that means if you are qualifying the first round, then 99% chance is there you get shortlisted or you get the job. So you can ask other people if someone have applied for this role and got shortlisted. So you can ask them, can share the experience and get a some recommendations. You can apply for this role. So I'll be providing the job link in the description of this video, so you can go through the details again and apply if you are comfortable with this job or the role. So I'll be providing other job details as well in the link, so in the description, so you can go through them as well and apply as soon as possible. So thank you for watching.